So between the time I finished putting the boards on and after oiling and everything, for some reason everything was tighter. So I don't know if the oil expanded the wood just ever so slightly, because I had everything snug. And then it was just too snug to force in. So in this case I had to sand the stone a little bit. Not a big deal. This one fit in okay. I sanded just a little bit. I think the same thing with this one. And I just sanded them a little bit and they were okay. This one I didn't really want to cut it. So I loosened up these boards right here around the edge here. Got it in and then put the screws back in gently, and it's in there good and snug. And then I put 2 screws in the back of this to hold that in place. So there it is. Next thing will be to hang it. And I think it turned out really cool. We'll have to see what everybody says about it, but I think it's cool. It's unique. So there we go. I think it's going to go in the foosball hangout.